Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use sketch, pipe, extrude, fillet, chamfer, and revolve features. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll make this cylinder here. Okay. The cylinder has 244.75 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, make a line here, go to sketch dimension. This line has 244.75 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and select the center point here. Okay. Now finish the sketch. Go to create and select the pipe. Let's see the diameter here. The diameter is 16 millimeters of diameter. So the path, select this line, and the section size here, select 16. And operation new body, press OK. We made this, okay. Now let's create this part here. So to create this, we select the top plane, go to create, select the top plane, go to create again and select the project include, project, the selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here and press OK. We can hide this body a little bit. We have this. Now let's create this line here with 25 millimeters and this two line here with 52 millimeters, okay? So select line, make a line here with 25 millimeters. Go to constraint, select midpoint, select this line and select this one, okay? Now select the line again, make a line here with 52 millimeters and another line here with 52 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Now we need to create this sketch here. The distance here is 35 millimeters. The distance here, 35 millimeters, okay? And the distance between these two lines is 10 millimeters. So select a line, make a line here. Here is 35 millimeters. And make another line here, another one here, and close the sketch. Now go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 10 millimeters. Okay. Now here we have a fillet here with 2 millimeters of radius and this edge here. So go to modify, select the fillet, select this edge 2 millimeters and select this one 2 millimeters, press OK. We made this, okay. Finish the sketch. Now show the body one. And we need to extrude this, and we need to extrude this 25 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction here, select symmetric. Measurement whole length, and the distance here 25 millimeters. And press OK. Operation join, okay. We made this, okay. Now here we have a fillet with 10 millimeters of radius in the both sides here. So select the fillet, select this edge, this one, and this one. The fillet here is 10 millimeters of radius. Press OK. Now we need to create this hole here. This hole has 10 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between this edge here and the center of this hole is 10 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch, select this face here, select the project include, operation body, select this body here. Now select the circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters. Okay, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 10 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select the circle and the midpoint. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. The extended type, select all, flip this direction, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay. Now here we have a fillet in this edge here with 2 millimeters of radius. So select the fillet, select this edge. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we need to create this part here. So to create this, we'll make a line here and we use the Revolve features, okay? To create this sketch here to make this solid. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the project again, select this body here, press OK. We have this. Now this line here has 25 millimeters. And this line here has 20 millimeters, okay? 40/2. So select a line, click at this point, 25 millimeters, and make a line here with 20 millimeters. Okay. Now let's create this line here with 5 millimeters and create this sketch here, okay? The distance between this line here and this one is 34/2. So it will be 17. And the distance between these two edges here, these 2 points, is 3 millimeters, okay? So select line. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. Select line, make a line here with 5 millimeters. Make this sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 17 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. The distance between these two lines here is 3 millimeters. So the distance here 3 millimeters. Now we need to make this line. Let's complete this sketch. Okay, we'll put the dimensions later. Here is 3 millimeters and here is 90. So select line, click here, 90 millimeters here, 3 millimeters here. Go to constraints, horizontal vertical, select this point and this one, this point and this one, this point and this one. We made this, okay. Now finish the sketch and go to Revolve features, the profile, select this profile, the axis, select this line here. We made this. Operation join, press OK. Now to finish this, we need to create this chamfer here with 2 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to modify and select the chamfer. Select this edge here. The type equal distance, and the distance here is 2 millimeters, and press OK. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.